Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the system. Plug the base station into USB-C and confirm the LED boot sequence. This provides the wireless link and firmware channel. Once done, put the headset on the base cradle to begin charging, and make sure SteelSeries GG is installed so you can update firmware and tune EQ. You do this now because firmware often fixes connection and battery issues. So updating first prevents later troubleshooting and gives immediate access to sonar and presets. You now pair and route audio. Hold the pairing button on the base while holding the headset power to link the two. 4 GHz channel. For a phone or second device, enable Bluetooth on the headset and pair normally. Once paired, open GG sonar to choose noise reduction, set mic side tone, and build a profile. This ensures you hear your voice and balance game versus chat. Then select the headset as the OS default playback and communications device, making sure sample rates match to avoid audio drift. Finish by physically adjusting the headset. Set the headband tension, angle the retractable mic, and confirm the on-ear controls react as expected. Once comfortable, configure power-saving options in the base so the headset doesn't auto-sleep during long sessions. This preserves battery health. If you encounter audio dropouts, try switching the base to another 4 GHz channel, update firmware again, and move the base within 3 to 5 meters line of sight. These steps resolve most wireless interference problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.